Hello, everyone. Today, I want to teach you how to make a natural face mask that can be a great alternative to Botox and help you eliminate wrinkles easily at home. Nature has given us a magical seed to fight the signs of aging: flax seeds. The flax seeds represent excellent plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and heart health. They are great against aging as they stimulate collagen production. Furthermore, flax seeds are also one of the few food sources of lignans, which are phytochemical compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. An anti-aging treatment that helps remove wrinkles with 3 natural products to create a 100 natural Botox alternative. A mask made from flax seeds can be helpful in reducing wrinkles and improving skin health. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. In a saucepan, bring 3 tablespoons of flax seeds to a boil in 1 liter of salted water. Once it starts boiling, let it simmer for 5 minutes. This will result in a gelatinous substance. Take a bowl and cut half a banana into slices. Mash the banana slices with a fork to create a cream-like consistency. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt and a little bit of honey to the mixture. Honey provides elasticity to the skin and helps remove any imperfections. It also helps prevent signs of aging. So, mix the mashed banana with honey and then add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. Mix everything thoroughly. This gel can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. If desired, you can also add 1 or 2 drops of lemon, which is rich in vitamin C and helps brighten the facial skin. We can apply this mixture both on the palm of the hand and on the face, gently massaging it. Leave it on for 30 minutes to rest. This mask should be applied once a week. After the 30-minute resting period, rinse your face with cold water and rinse your hands with lukewarm water. These magical seeds make the skin smooth, elastic, and soft, providing a 100 natural Botox alternative treatment. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next videos, take care of your beauty.